Is your vending machine working as hard as it could be? At Vending Concepts, we turn ordinary machines into powerful branding tools with fully customized wraps and decals. Whether you want your company logo, bold high-impact graphics, or a sleek professional design, we create eye-catching vending machines that demand attention and increase visibility. Our custom graphics aren't just about looks. They help your machine stand out in offices, schools, hospitals, and high-traffic locations. It's your brand, on display 24/7. And if you're looking to purchase a new snack, drink, or combo machine, we can help with that too. From equipment to customization, we're your one-stop shop. Visit the link in our bio or call 866-451-3895 today. Vending Concepts, where your machine becomes a marketing asset.